everybody, and welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlogs. This is the first vlog that we are uploading since the relaunch, and we've got a really exciting weekend planned. It's 8 o'clock on a Saturday morning, and I'm just about to head down to the shops to get some stuff to do a little packed lunch picnic, because we're going on a yacht today. Like, what a return, like what a great first activity. Going on a yacht, my mum and dad are here and they're really excited. We've got some fishing rods on board and we're gonna stop, go swimming, go snorkeling. Hopefully it's going to be a lovely day. It is a little bit foggy this morning, but usually that does mean it will clear up and it'll be a nice bright blue sunny day. So let's go to the supermarket. Shopping has been acquired, so we are on the yacht for like 5 hours today. We're picking it up at 10:30 and then it's dropping us back at 3:30, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, yeah. So we've just got like a little picnicky lunch. Went to Spinneys, so if you know Dubai, if you don't know Dubai, Spinneys is owned by Waitrose and they have a really nice salad and like fresh food bar. So I picked up 4 of the chicken mayo Dijonette. So it's like chicken mayo baguette. Dijonette is just a fancy word for a baguette, I think. A soft baguette. So I got 4 of those because there is 4 of us. I got some Ruffles, cheddar and sour cream crisps, some plain tortilla chips, or salted ones, and then I got some guac, roasted red pepper hummus, tzatziki, and sour cream and chive dip. And then I also just got a bunch of fruit, which I'm gonna cut up and put in some Tupperware because these things are really bad, like they're already spilling. And then when I ordered my coffee yesterday from Dunkin', I actually ordered this box of Ramadan donuts and I did already eat one. So I got 6 of their new flavors, 2 Biscoff pistachio, 2 Nutella, 1 Kanafe, and then 1 something else, I think. Everyone's jumping on this Dubai chocolate trend, so I think that's what they're inspired by. So I'm just going to pack all of this into the cool box. I've got dad some beer, I've got mum some wine. We get soft drinks on board anyway, and I'm just gonna pack it all up so it's all nice and cold and stays fresh. We are on Ace. This is a nice one.
Shoes off.
Hi. Hello. Whoopa.
Thank you.
Yeah, you can take them off up there.
Morning.
Good morning. Very quick interior yacht tour. So you've got a living room area as you first walk in, then you've got a kitchen to the right and another area to the left to sit on with a dining room table. As you go down the stairs, you've got yet another sitting area with another table, a toilet just to the right, and then on the left-hand side, you have your very own bedroom, which you can use during your yacht tour if you really want to, but it's incredible, so comfy, like a massive full bed, like you could live on this yacht. And there is another toilet in there, but I didn't film the toilet, so I think they were in use at this time, but unbelievable. We always rent our yachts through Skywalker Yachts. They are amazing. They are always super high quality. We get this sort of style yacht every time, and this is kind of the entry level price as well. And you just can't fault it. The crew are amazing too.
So we will start from Dubai Harbour. We'll go outside through the skydive. We'll take a ride to the World Island. After the Palm, maybe we can cover the Palm Jumeirah all around, take a 360. Then we'll go to the World Island. We do some fishing over there.
Yeah.
When we come back inside the Palm, we'll stay on anchor and we'll go swim. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we'll come if we have time. We will take a tour inside the marina. Come back to the Palm.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Hello. You excited?
It's very nice, thank you.
What are you hoping to catch? Doing it like an interview.
Whatever is swimming around. Anyway, I want Jamal to catch one more to be fair, because it's his first time. So.
But what if you could catch anything? I want to catch a shark.
Barracudas would be good.
The local one.
I think they're reef fish.
That was called a... I always forget the name. That was called a... It was a type of grouper, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You can. Oh my god, what was it called? No. I can't remember what it was bloody called. It was called... That's going to really annoy me. What was the fish called the other day?
What fish?
The fish that we had the other night.
Which?
The local fish.
Hamor.
Hamor.
Ah, that was it.
Hamor. Mum? Hamor. Hamor.
H-A-M-O-U-R.
I like that one. I like a meaty fish. Like a...
So we've just parked up near the Wild Islands to try some fishing and currently getting 0 bites. So that's fun, but nearly died. Hopefully we catch something. Anything? It's boring when nothing bites. Going to be the first. Imagine if I just got like a big fat barracuda. We did fish for a very, very, very long time. I think we drove to 2 or 3 different spots in the end, and we fished for a while and none of us got as much as a single bite. I don't know what it was, but the fish were just not hungry on this day. Dad obviously loved it. He has fished his whole entire life. I grew up with him fishing. I used to go with him when I was little. I haven't done it for a long time, so it was quite cool, and it was nice to obviously do it with Dad whilst he was here, but a lot of it did involve us just sitting, dangling our rods into the water, but I guess that's what fishing is. It obviously takes a lot of patience, and I know you can't just expect to catch anything every single time you go, but the crew on board, however, seemed to have all of the luck. So they had a hand line in the water and they had a couple of rods, and they caught on the hand line every single time. So this was a real excitement. They were pulling something in and they told me it was a shark. It wasn't a shark, it was a little catfish. But actually, if you didn't know, it kind of does look a little bit shark-like. And look, Dad in his element trying to get the hook out. It was really stuck in there. But yay, we caught something. And there he is, proud with his fish. It's going to be absolutely freezing. Huh? What a day. So that was so nice. It went so quickly, and I don't know how much you can actually hear in the footage, so it may be that the last few clips have just been a musical montage, but that's fine. So we're just gonna have like a bit of a chill evening tonight. We've got to go to the supermarket, we've got to go and get bits for tomorrow because we are going to a place called Khor Fakkan, which is in Sharjah. We did go here a couple of weekends ago when we hired a camper van, which I didn't actually vlog, which is silly of me, but we're gonna go back there. There's a little island called Shark Island, which is amazing for snorkeling. So hopefully we get some good like underwater shots tomorrow, and I will continue the vlog then, because it's just gonna be more tonight, chill dinner, and dealing with the sunburn that is on my back, because rookie, 9 months in, I'm still getting burnt, which is not good. Wear your SPF, kids. But yeah, we will see you in the morning. Good morning, everyone. So we're just in Khor Fakkan. No, we're not. We're in Sharjah right now. So we're just in Sharjah picking up some scuba tanks. I'm lying. Jamal's picking up a scuba tank. I'm going snorkeling. But the area that we're picking it up from is lovely. It's nice and calm. And we've actually just spotted a couple of turtles out here, which is fun. So hopefully that means some good underwater shots today, maybe. But yeah, we're gonna go pick these up and then head to Shark Island. If you do want to go over to Shark Island, you just need to head up to Khor Fakkan beach and you can park there. There are loads of people waiting, ready to offer you their boat trips. This is the boat that you go on. It's nothing fancy, but you can haggle the price down and it takes you directly from the beach over to Shark Island. I would say it's only a sort of 5 to 8 minute journey, but when you get there, it's lovely. They call it the mini Maldives of the UAE because the water is crystal clear. As more and more boats are going there, we are finding that the water isn't as clear as it was the first time that we were there. And it was really, really busy on this day too. So we made it to Shark Island without a scuba tank because that was the second drama of today. So we didn't get breakfast and we didn't get scuba tank. But we are here and we are all going to snorkel. So that was enough. So let's switch to the underwater camera and let's pray for another turtle because we did see one last time and we've already seen 2 today. So. not as clear today as it was the last time we were here, but hopefully there are still some good fish around. There were loads last time, loads and loads and loads. This time not so many, so I don't know where they've all gone. Where's this wave coming from? Let me see it. Let me see it. It's got guts on it. Or is it rust?
Huh?
What is it, guts or rust?
Oh.
Rust. Interesting find of today. A spear. So when we were diving down in Shark Island, we went, I say we, Jamal swam down and put the camera on the bottom of the floor. So we filmed this bit, but if anyone knows what types of fish these are, please let us know, because I've tried to Google them and it's really hard to actually work out what they are. But a couple of them were pretty sizable and pretty big, lovely colours, and we would like to know exactly what we were looking at. The snorkelling was quite a big success. There were a lot of fish to see. There were some really, really ugly fish, which I actually need to learn the names of, and make sure that they're not dangerous. So we came off Shark Island, which is actually just there in the distance now. And apparently Shark Island is called Shark Island. I thought it was because it looks like a shark's fin, but apparently it is quite famous for black tip reef sharks from April to November. We've been a few times now and we haven't seen any, so that's really disappointing. I really wanted to see some, but it's quite cool. You can haggle the boat guys down quite well. They try and charge you an astronomical price to start off with, and then we got it down today to like 100 dirhams per person, and it's only a 5-minute boat ride, so even that I think is really expensive, but they are making a living. So they just take you across. Sometimes they wait if you're only going to be there for an hour or so. We were there for 3 hours today, so they gave us their mobile number, we called them, and they came and picked us back up. We showered using the public showers. That's one thing I love about the UAE, is even public showers are ridiculously clean, and I mean public toilets have showers in, which I don't think I would trust anywhere else in the world. We've just driven along to another beach where we have set up camp, and we're gonna have a little beach barbecue tonight when the sun goes down, because it's still really hot. It's like 3:45 and it's still 32 degrees, so summer is definitely on its way. No one's here, as you can see. It's kind of like this on a lot of the beaches, especially as it gets hotter and hotter and hotter. People just don't want to be outside, and it's obviously during Ramadan at the moment, so we're in Sharjah, so it does mean a lot of the cafes, restaurants, anything like that are all shut, and they will open back up at sunset, so they will get a lot busier as the night goes on. And that is one good thing about the UAE as well. You are allowed to barbecue on the beach as long as you have a proper barbecue and you dispose of the coals safely. So obviously that is what we will do later on, once we're allowed to eat outside, because we want to still be respectful. There isn't anybody around, but obviously it is still Ramadan, so we don't want to offend anyone, and we don't want to eat and drink when we shouldn't be eating and drinking. You have to be really careful walking along here, because there are a load of jellyfish on the sand. I don't know if it's dead or alive, or if it is even a jellyfish, but it looks like one. Now I feel like I'm looking down all the time. Just come in to check on the old people, because they were too hot, so they had to go and move and sit in the shade. So we are all fed, all watered, barbecue is wrapping up, and we're now going to pack up the car and drive back to Dubai. So it's been a lovely, lovely, lovely day, and I think I'm going to end the vlog here. So thank you so much for watching. If you've got this far, and if you have liked it, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe, and we'll see you next week.